In this tutorial, we will open a DEM file and browse it and learn what kind of information does it provide. So by now you should have a DEM data file downloaded from the USGS National Map website, and open ArcMap and also add the base map to your ArcMap so you can see the elevations and the background images of those elevations. Now if you go to catalog, you should be able to find your folder in which you downloaded the folder that you downloaded and unzipped. And inside that you should see a file which basically says grid at north 37 degrees and west 116 degrees. So that's the grid that I downloaded, and you may have downloaded a different grid. In either case, just drag it and open it in your ArcMap and go ahead and create pyramids. I'm not going to do that because it may take a moment, but you should create pyramids for your image, and you should see a black and white image appear on your screen, which is a raster image providing elevations at different points. If you turn it off and turn it on again, you should be able to see various features on the ground and their elevations. It is a grayscale image, and the bright areas are high points, whereas the dark areas are low points. If you want to see the information about this image, you can go into properties and go to the source information, and you will learn that it has 3,612 columns and 3,612 rows. So it's a square image. There's only one band, which means it's only single values, grayscale values. And because we opened this with the base map already open, this is giving us X and Y cell size in degrees. And if you calculate, this will turn out to be 1 arc second. So this is 1 divided by 3600. And then you can see the other information about the image. We can also click identify and actually look at the values of the pixels, and you can see on the left side, or wherever your identify dialog opens, you can see the units, the number, and the units of this number are meters. So this point is 637 meters high above the mean sea level. If you click a bright area, for example, this particular point here, and this would be 3,000 meters above mean sea level. You can also change the color of this image to get a better perception of height. So go to symbology, and you can maybe go from green to red, which means green will be low points and red will be high points. If you apply that, you get a little bit better discrimination of heights and shades through the shades of colors. If you are familiar with this area, you should be able to recognize the the Las Vegas Wash passing through the northern Las Vegas and going into the Lake Mead. And this clearly shows up as low elevation points in the area. So now in the next tutorial, we will use the DEM data to create contour maps and learn about the slope of the surface at different points. You may see different DEM data sets in the next tutorials, but whatever DEM data you have downloaded, you can use that data to do the next tutorials, even though they may look different in the tutorial.